If you're watching this one, you watched the last video, that means you survived it and you're back. So today let's learn how to sharpen a knife. This is going to be a quick, easy video. Knife sharpening is not that complicated. Once you have the basics, you just work on that and you'll get better with time. So with sharpening a knife, you just need to make sure you maintain the same angle as you draw your knife across the stone as your bevel. And to find that angle, the best way to do it is lay your knife flat, keep on tipping it until the edge touches your stone. And that's the angle you want. And from there, all you gotta do is just draw it. Same way on the other side. Tip it up till the edge hits the stone, draw it across. And as you get better and better, you'll be able to maintain that angle every time. So the thing to think about with your sharpening stones is that the rougher the stone, the rougher the edge, because it's going to leave scratches in the bevel of the blade, and the rougher the stone, the rougher the edge, the duller the knife. The smoother the stone, the smoother the edge, the sharper the knife. So if your blade is really dull, you want to start with a very coarse stone and work your way to a very smooth one. If you already have a pretty good edge on your knife, you can probably start with a medium or even a finer stone and put the edge on your knife that way. Our next video, going to be making a knife jig, and that's going to help maintain that angle on your blade so it's the same each time. So come back and watch again. Thanks.